A single pulse rises in the silence, a spark of heat that feels alive as it ripples through the air like a warning of something awakening beneath the world. Each wave intensifies, building into a rhythm that vibrates through metal, stone, and sky as if the planet has a heartbeat of its own. Blinding flashes of energy surge across the horizon, twisting the atmosphere into shimmering waves while cities glow under the pressure, their towers reflecting fiery light like mirrors of a new dawn. The sky burns with deep reds and molten orange as the world shifts into a state of transformation machines stirring after centuries, their cores lighting up with power drawn from the rising heat. The earth cracks open, releasing spiraling beams of brilliance that shoot upward, signaling the beginning of a new era shaped not by chaos, but by awakening. The rhythm grows louder, merging with a haunting melody that fills the air with electricity and anticipation. As the heat becomes more than sensation, it becomes evolution. When the final wave washes across the horizon, one truth becomes clear. This is not the end, but the ignition of a world reborn under fire. Welcome to the dawn of this new age. Welcome to Futurescape.